To withdraw money from SproutGigs, follow these steps. Log into your SproutGigs account. Go to the SproutGigs website and log into your worker account using your credentials. Check your balance. Once logged in, go to your dashboard to view your current balance. You can withdraw funds once you've accumulated a minimum withdrawal amount. Click on Withdraw. In your account dashboard, click on the Withdraw button. This will take you to the withdrawal section. Choose your payment method. SproutGigs offers multiple payment options, including PayPal, AirTM, Litecoin. Select your preferred payment method. If it's your first withdrawal, you may need to link your PayPal or other payment accounts. Enter withdrawal amount. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Submit your request. After entering the amount, confirm your request. SproutGigs will process your withdrawal, and it may take a few hours to a few days for funds to appear in your account, depending on the method. Confirm payment. Once processed, you will receive the funds in your selected payment account.